In this video, I'm going to explain how to go about including an in-text citation in a Google document. So let's assume that this is my quotation here. I'm going to go up to Tools, then hit Citations, and then I'm going to select which of the citation styles that I'm going to be using. So history, we use MLA. In social sciences, we use APA. So choose the one that's appropriate for the class that you're in. So I'm going to use MLA as an example here. And then you're going to follow through with the questions that they ask. So I'm going to add a citation source, and then I'm going to choose the source type, okay? So let's say it's a website, and then I'm going to go through and complete this information. So I'll come back in just a moment with all this information filled out. And once I've populated all of the fields, I'm going to come to the bottom and I'm going to select Save Source. Now, I've already selected it, so that's why it's grayed out, but you would normally see this as blue. And then once I've done that, it's going to show me the citation over here. Now, if I want to do an in-text citation from this particular resource, I'm going to make sure that my cursor is at the point that I want it to be in my document. So I'm just going to put it here. And then I'm going to select Cite. And what's going to happen is it's going to do the citation in MLA format. So that's the correct format for MLA. Let's see what it looks like with APA. So remember, we use APA for social sciences. So we're going to select Cite, and then you'll see it does it correctly in APA format. Okay, so I'm going to go back to MLA here. And now I'm at the end of my, let me just cite it there, good. And now I'm at the end of my document. I've done all of my work, and I need to insert my bibliography or my works cited. So assuming you would have probably more than just one source here, but we only have one source that we've set up here, but you should have more than just one. But let's insert bibliography. And then what you'll see is it will cite it for you. And look at that. It cites it correctly and everything. No issues whatsoever. Now, you're more than welcome to change this title to references or works cited, whatever your teacher is asking for. And that's it. And it should actually, and it should also put it in alphabetical order. So just double check that. I can't remember offhand, but I'm almost certain it does actually put it in alphabetical order for you as well, which is what you're supposed to do. Okay? So good luck in putting together those citations.